I will go to Suburbs for the rest of the day. Oh my god.
Damn, you can hear this shit for blocks.
I don't
Day one. Woohoo! Uh-oh. Ah. Oh, shit.
They had this one earlier, nigga, it shot up. It's a daytime one.
Damn, I missed it with my own eyes, but I seen it through the lens.
Did you record it?
Yeah. Get it then, nigga. Oh shit. Oh shit, I didn't know where that was coming from. I finally found the right settings for this motherfucker. This motherfucker's having a war on these blocks against each other. They say this shit gonna get amped up way more. Look at this shit. Pretty colors.
Well, you turned 59 for that.
Yeah, yeah.
That's very okay. Oh no!
I'm going up over there, look. And behind you too.
I don't know where the fuck to go. I just be hearing these motherfucking mortars go off and I just turn, look. Damn, I missed a big ass one behind me. Oh shit. Let's go, nigga. Yeah.
said those are the niggas.
These motherfuckers ain't playing out here. Oh shit! Oh! The sky was falling on your
That's
boy.
a warm up. You need to put like 4 of those together. 5, 10 of them together. Fuck it, let's do a bit.
Hell yeah.
Get the nigga with the hat. Get the nigga with the hat.
I get this nigga.
He's the culprit.
Glowy ass nigga.
He the culprit. Got that?
Yeah, he got the
Damn. They got some shotgun shells over there.
Yeah, that's the mortars. He said they got them shotgun shells over there. Look at him, he running. He already running.
Yeah.
Oh shit. That it?
Motherfucker, boy, when it shot out, that shit was like, dude. You be like, damn, that motherfucker.
Motherfuckers way back there behind them trees.
That was a heart shape. You seen that one?
It was a heart shape?
That was a heart shape.
I missed that one.
Firework.
Damn. What she got? Oh shit. Hey, that piece came back down. What this gonna do? Oh.
He said that piece came back.
That's
down.
another piece came back down. This is the street right there. Perfect.
Dangling right there with my phone.
Let's step away.
This phone? Is it a regular electric phone? Yeah, it's an Android. Come on, I'll show you what phone. Look right on the cool swing. Just take the phone. In my car.
What did you say there? Good there.
Neighbors back there busting this music. God damn.
I got it. Wow.
Them niggas ain't playing back there. Look at this thing.
Oh, be careful, guys.
Them niggas ain't playing. neighborhood getting it in. These people over there, behind us. Oh shit. I want to make some shapes. I want to see them niggas do some ones with them shapes too. That's way back there too. They going off over there too.
God, they took this shit back down to the late 80s.
That music they playing is crazy.
At your house? Y'all did that barbecue at your house?
Nobody over there? Probably people down the street.
No, down at this house. They're down at Jessica's house. You want to go see Jessica and them?
Who, Frost and them? Or
You want to go see the twins? I'm down there drunk as hell. That's the drunk guy.
Yeah. Are you charging it?
Where all the chicks are down there.
alright.
You got to splash. You got to splash before you go. Splash. Boom. Okay.
Oh shit. Oh, that was nice sprinkles at the end. Oh, something in my eye. Oh. That was nice. Woo! Woo!
Standard edition. Those are level 30s.
Oh shit, that's what I said. He said that was a level 30.
Yeah. Where the level 34 is at? Yeah, he behind us over there.
Yeah, he back here.
Over here.
Damn, that shit must have been up high if it's still coming down.
That shit's still raining down, yeah.
Oh, Jesus, better be something good. Yeah, that was pretty good.
He said that better be something good.
He should have a trip.
The next yard waiting. We waiting to see what the next yard gonna do now.
To live here, the high school is going next morning like, they winning. Oh shit!
Oh shit.
Something came down hard as hell. This ain't back there.
They trying to do something way back there. I don't know. Y'all got them little things out there. Those little things just going up. I don't know. Yeah, he about to do something over there. That dude be dropping bombs.
This one right here, look at that shit. You got
Yeah,
big
look how
ass.
big that shit is.
Holy hell.
That shit big from here. Look, bro. Oh shit. Oh shit, something else came down. Is that what it? That's it?
It's crazy how they come.
That shit.
The trees though, right?
If it wasn't for those trees, we have good view right there too.
That's just it. Oh, there we go. It came back alive. See that?
Shit.
Oh shit, they coming right here.
They come and got some shit going right here. Shit. Shit's That's a lot of fire left over in the air, dog. Look how all that shit falling down.
It's blowing every year. You burn your finger. I got a burn right there. I almost fuck it up.
This is loud as shit.
Those was loud. Fuck.
That's a little stronger. I feel it in my chest. Whoa, who did that?
Yeah, who did that little sprinkles?
That raggedy
Little
ass
sprinkles. Who shooting that ragged ass sprinkles? You stupid.
Yeah. We gotta wait, man. I know we'll jump on. I wanted to wait for so long. Cheers.
Oh, that fucking fire coming down.
Did it look like it hurt? What? Big old baby.
Oh shit, that don't come, better not come down on me.
Yeah, she thinks she is too. You should see her. She watches her little movies and little princess. And she gotta have her brush to comb her hair out the whole time. So she just watching it like, that's me. That's me on there. Yep. She got her little outfit. She throw them on and little princess. Whites are in the lead.
Look at all that fire.
Oh, look at all that.
All that shit. Them motherfuckers everywhere.
And they shoot these parachutes with like flags and shit on there, like these motherfuckers. Like, that shit was fucking tight. That was the best one I seen. Oh, you got another box.
That's a box.
The mini box.
Mini box? That was tight. Oh, that was tight. Hey, that looked like that fireball that bug. Whoa! That bug shot out his butt on that Starship Troopers. Yeah, he trying to outdo this dude.
Oh, that was tight.
Yeah, that was tight.
That looked like a comment, huh?
It did.
Damn, that little box had a little bit in it.
That box had some shit in it, huh?
You just want to ride through it. Hey, you should have seen it. Niggas was riding through earlier, taking a selfie, do the whole thing.
Oh, that was tight. That was a target. That shit came out like a target. He said, motherfucker, you shot that shit? They doing something over there too with the tree in the way.
So get up and go over there.
I don't want that. That was tight. That's a little one. She got that box right there. I like that little box. They're busted. Oh shit, these niggas be competing like a motherfucker. They all back there blowing up shit like Baghdad.
You better make sure you have my phone intact.
Don't go and get that phone either. Don't even go nowhere near it.
Alright, who's next? Who's fucking next? Uh-oh, what's she gonna do?
My phone's dead, and
that came and got the vein. She got oh. That one piece came down right between them.
I'm done, nigga. I can't go nowhere. Where am I going? Nigga, I don't even know how I'm leaving.
Football game was fast.
Yes.
For the kids?
Yep. They ain't going to sleep tonight.
Well, she Korean, dog. That's what she gonna do.
Oh, yeah. She does.
That shit be loud as fuck.
Yeah.
I'm surprised the kids ain't scared.
Nigga, I'm walking north.
Oh, they are.
I'm slipping this nigga's mama house like
Looks smart.
Holy shit.
already. She think I've been doing the past 2 hours. That nigga has his own family.
Oh, that was pretty.
I tried.
Somebody's wrapping her motorcycle.
No, that's the fireworks. She said boom. She thought it was somebody revving their motorcycle. That's these things, boy. She said boom. Every time it's shot. Somebody getting it over there. Another block away. I can't even see it, but I can hear it.
It's just a.
No, not them over there.
Jesus. Hello.
Damn, that shit was a little different. That shit came down in 3.
You gonna call the same bitch I just left, nigga? What's up?
That white boy said, so many niggas. Real quick. Talking to the blackest nigga ever.
I know. Oh, there's still.
What's the move?
Oh, that shit had blue tips.
You better tip shit off.
Your mama came out here and gummy beared them up.
Oh my God.
Oh, yeah. Thought I gambled here.
Oh, that's pretty.
Awesome. You gonna take mine?
That's my something. I wasn't sure. I'll take yours.
God damn.
Oh, you wasn't that quick for me.
Yeah, no, they're good.
Damn, that little motherfucker ain't gonna never go out.
That little candle?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty.
That's really pretty.
That's for you. Oh, that was tight. That was like Irish.
He said that was like some Irish shit.
It looked like a 4-leaf clover popped out that motherfucker.
What that nigga went in your mama's house and grabbed some food? Black ass. Damn, he lighting shit with a torch. 3 shits. 4 shits.
Here we go. Here, the Minas. That's it?
Yeah, he lit 3 shits.
That's it, man. Come on, you gonna go with him, baby girl? Go with him, go with CJ.
So much fire be falling down out the sky still. That shit ain't safe, dog.
Yeah, this your truck right here?
Nah, that's her son's truck.
That nigga salty.
You
You know what I'm saying? Like, what you want me to do? I'm supposed to get on the highway and back to Denver because you stuck now.
all the way back to Denver?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that nigga took that.
Yeah, you.
Oh!
I can't help you. I'm about to start walking north.
Well, he got a backpack on, shit. He alright, nigga. Hope he got his toiletries and shit in there. Shit.
more than beers, Doug?
Yeah, let me get another beer. What's that? Smoke bombs and shit?
I thought you remember somebody.
Oh.
Yeah, that nigga strode up on sunglasses at night.
Our cannon broke.
I don't know how many coming out this big ass little box. Yeah, he said it's like 12 or 15 coming out this motherfucker. That yard back there, like 2-3 neighborhoods away, I can't hear the mortars go off, so I can't shoot them. But I can get these niggas. They just in the neighborhood right next to us, other side of us. Then there's some people over there. Oh, y'all can't see where I'm pointing, but this motherfuckers everywhere, dog. Everywhere. There's niggas out here getting it in. Just so dark out this bitch.
You heard me, boy?
Look at all that fire. Look at all that fire.
There goes another bottle.
Yeah, this motherfucker got boxes. The fuck was that? Whoa. Motherfucking weird ass music this nigga playing. They back there. Oh shit. Yo. Who's that just walked up?
Where?
Girl.
I don't know. Nigga, you should have seen it earlier, nigga.
Huh?
Room left, right?
Huh?
You can't sleep? Yeah, 4 of them bitches came.
Damn, that shit loud as fuck.
He got a long wait.
Shit went way up there.
Way back. These bitches started playing with their titties. Show me that pussy, dog. Look, I mean, the bitch had like a shirt, like a dress skirt on like this, right? And they were talking about some surgery they got.
Yeah.
Pull up, pussy meat just hanging. Just look at that.
He said pussy just hanging.
They were grabbing each other titties and shit right there. Nigga, that's
In the daytime?
nigga, daytime. That's what man right up there. Nigga, I'm sitting each other titties. It was crazy. I'll show you the white bitch. She put up good. Her shit was like, her drawers were like tight. And all you see was two meat.
Yeah.
Two hot dogs. You got them two hot dogs sitting there.
I see your buns.
Yeah, you got two hot dogs back in there. My nigga gone.
See these loud ass shits. That shit just shot those little things out.
Ninja cracker.
Them shits with darts. Yeah. Why does shit take so long to light? That shit must be huge. No, that shit over there. Way over there. That shit on fire? This thing done burnt up his whole firework pack.
It's smart, man. Oh, shit.
Oh shit, that shit done burnt up.
Oh, shit. That ain't how it's supposed to go.
Oh, that ain't how it's supposed to go.
Hell no, that's a...
Oh shit. Fail! Oh shit, that ain't how that's supposed to go.
It's supposed to go up. It fell down.
Yeah.
It's supposed to go up.
That's what I was saying. That shit took a long. It caught on fire.
Oh, God.
The niggas.
They should have separated it.
That shit gonna burn for a minute too.
You gotta go extinguish it.
I noticed. I noticed that shit was fucked up.
Yes, you come and there's a traffic cone right there. They're gonna set the traffic cone on fire.
Sit down.
Oh, you fire extinguisher?
Yeah, he fire extinguishing it.
That's what I said. Oh, you got something.
They went out late. What the fuck is that over there burning now? This nigga stay burning up some shit. This nigga ain't got no fireworks.
You stay fucking up. No.
Yeah, nigga, quit burning up your fireworks, bro. Today.
Oh, here go the box you need.
Oh shit, that's a big ass box. That one look like a goddamn Jack in the Box. A Christmas motherfucking present.
Hell yeah. $50 box. Uh-oh, starter kit.
That's the starter kit?
Yeah, let's go. You better not be slow like that the whole time.
It's a big ass box to do these slow ass pops. shit just hit me, Vaughn, in my leg.
Right under it.
Yeah, I'm right under this motherfucking shit. I'm trying to keep my eyes covered in case something hit me in my fucking face. Oh, Doc, I didn't tell you about this motherfucking elephant trying to fuck me up yesterday.
An elephant?
An elephant, dog. Tried to fuck me up yesterday, dog. Oh, those are soft. They said. Nice, nice color. Oh shit. Oh.
Look at that nigga over there.
That nigga shooting flares and shit.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. That sounds like a gunshot.
Make sure one thing.
Whoa, that was pretty low.
They're throwing them off over somewhere back here, and I don't see nothing.
They trying to get it over there. God damn.
I had to go all the way downstairs.
Oh.
You almost died.
I'm dying. Me dog.
Oh, that was tight. A parachute just came down. Shit. Oh, shit.
That one I had to blink.
I thought that shit didn't go enough in the air. Shit. Another box. He got a torch back there lighting his up too. Oh, that was pretty.
Those boxes.
Oh, that was tight.
Those are my favorite.
Oh. Oh, that shit came over here. Oh.
Oh, jeez. Oh,
God damn.
You gotta put that away.
He said, put that away, nigga. You shooting at the whole neighborhood. He said that little Pat. Yeah, I seen the little kids. Ah, you motherfucker!
That shit was right there, too.
That shit went across my shoulders.
Yeah, that was impossible. That shit way over there.
Well, I don't know.
Where did it go?
It went over there.
This box is like a 24 pack of beer, nigga. I wonder what's in this shit. Ah, that shit fell on me again.